Hi, my name is Dominic Manfredi, and today I'm going to be presenting to you the company Vans. History of Vans. The company was started by the Van Doren brothers in 1966 along with their two partners. Originally, the business started off as a small business in Anaheim, California. It ended up becoming very popular to skateboarders, and it became their favorite shoe because of how sticky the sole was and how durable the shoes were. Eventually, as time went on, Vans became more popular, and in 2011 they ended up reaching $1 billion in sales. And here's a quick image of the 5 key styles of Vans. These are the most popular styles, and they even sell them now. Vans' mission, vision, and values. Vans' mission is to enable creative expression and inspire youth culture by celebrating and encouraging the off-the-wall attitude that comes from expressing your true self. This is Vans' pretty much biggest vision, and they do this by selling products as such like their shoes that can be formed, they can be painted, and they could really show off your creativity and show who you truly are. Vans leadership. Vans has a very big leadership team, so I chose out the 5 most important people. First, the CEO and president, Doug Palladini. Here's a picture of him in the top right corner. The CFO of Vans, who is Scott Bleachman, I believe, or Blackman is his name. The VP of Sales in the US and Mexico, Henry Cosio. The VP of Marketing North America, Kelly Mernigan. And then finally, the VP of Global Integrated Marketing, Nicholas Street. Vans' biggest stakeholder is VF Corporation. They own the entire company of Vans. And here's a quick look of them. VF also owns many other corporations. Marketing and advertising. Vans, they are worldwide and they trade with over 84 countries. Their products are in 84 countries. They mostly market to the younger generation. And they also market to skateboarders. That's their biggest thing. And they also market and advertise to snowboarders and surfers. Their product is for all ages as well. And here's some pictures of their shoes. They have a lot of different types and styles. This mostly applies to the younger generation. In this picture to the left, you see a group of them. They all use Vans and they skateboard. Vans stock price. The current stock price right now is $60.74, but however it ranges between $58.35 around $60.76. It always goes up and down every day. And here's a chart of the past couple years. And right now it's at pretty low. However, if I really could invest, I would invest in Vans because I do believe that within the next couple years, the younger generation will want to buy more Vans. And I feel like the shoe is just going to skyrocket in popularity within the next couple years. Their corporate social responsibility is really to remove and reduce their environmental footprint in how they make their shoes. And through the Green Soul Project, they have actually changed the way that they make their shoe, and that reduces their environmental footprint. They also collect old Vans, they restore them, they pretty much recycle the product, and they also give back to the community. One way that they do give back to the community is by giving they give away like recyclable like trashes, and then they also pick up the recycle. Their initiatives in corporate philanthropy, their initiatives are to pretty much help the environment and really just keep that environmental footprint low. And they also bring out youth and creativity and positivity within young kids and pretty much people of all ages. They also have charity events where they give away to kids. These shoes in the bottom right corner are actually the very interesting designs that they have made and that they've actually donated us. And yeah, they donate different designs, shoes, and clothes. They've also had competitions where kids will design shoes, send them in, and then they choose out the best design. And just like here in Rio Rancho High School, the custom culture where kids in their school have designed the shoes and it's displayed at their school. And that's the end of my presentation. I hope you enjoyed my slideshow. I really chose Vans because it's my favorite brand of shoe and I love their product. I think it's very cool. And yeah,